Well, the day has finally come. We are doing a dollhouse tour. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing crafts and DIY projects. Here she is, the Beachside Bungalow by Real Good Toys. This thing has literally taken me forever, but I finally finished it, so we're gonna give you the official tour. Now this is a beach style bungalow house. The parts are wood and MDF, and I got it from Hobby Lobby's website. I used the 40% off coupon, and if you've been following this journey, you can also watch the other like gazillion videos I made about making this dollhouse. I did a series, it's called the Beachside Bungalow Dollhouse, obviously. This model has some really charming features. It's got a really nice sized front porch, railings. It's got like these columns here, came with the shingles, it's got a dormer window, and it has really nice details like eaves and then brackets for the sides and for this dormer here. So I like how everything came together, even if it did take me way too long to get all these pieces glued, sanded, painted. Oh my gosh. Warning, if you're gonna make this dollhouse, this is not a weekend project. This took me well over 4 months. This house has also survived a move with us. It went from Atlanta to St. Petersburg, so wrapped carefully in bubble wrap. So I was really excited that I made it unscathed. So I did a scheme of like gray, pink, some navy blue, and some like white. They're designer colors, people. It's from the Bear line from Home Depot. I also used a tutorial I found on Paper Doll Miniatures. I actually made some faux stonework on the foundation of the house. I love the way this turned out. I think it looks so cool. I'm really jazzed about this. It's got some really nice windows. I also got this really fancy looking golden crystal doorknob for the front door, so that is super cool. All right, so we're going to turn this baby around. This is the side, and you can see these really cute like bracket details, just like a real craftsman bungalow would have. Clearly it was inspired by those homes. I think they were mostly built in like the 1920s, I think. The floors actually come pre-finished with this like laminate paper type stuff. I decided to paint over that, so I primed it, painted it white, and then added some polycrylic over the top. And I also used scrapbook paper I got from Joann's as quote-unquote wallpaper. I painted the inside walls an aqua color and a navy blue on the bottom floor. And I also added, now this is even like nicer than any real house I've lived in, I added crown molding to the ceiling walls, and then I added baseboards in all the rooms. This took me a while. The only room I have not completed the baseboards in is the kitchen. So I do plan on furnishing the house and trying to DIY some stuff. So I want to try to make my own miniature kitchen set at a 1/12 scale. So once I figure out the kitchen, then I can finish the baseboards in there, because I wanted it to have that built-in look. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm really excited about those. I think it'll look awesome. And I'm excited to pimp out the inside. That is what's next. That'll probably take me another year, let's be honest here. And I actually bought another kit from Real Good Toys. It's a 1/24 scale or half-inch scale farmhouse. So we'll see if I can get to that maybe before Christmas. But I had so much fun working on this dollhouse. I'm 35, never built one before, never really owned one. So I figured, you know what? Why not? I'm an adult. I can do whatever I want. So I did that. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. The shingles were something that definitely intimidated me, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. And I think it looks pretty darn good. What do you think? But I'm excited to get to the next phase and do all the inside decor. Guys, on Instagram and on the internet, you can find so many blogs and so much inspiration. It's not even funny. Another thing I kind of want to do is to get one of those IKEA like fill sat dollhouses and try to customize that. So I might do that. I'm really getting into this dollhousing hobby. Yes, I'm using dollhousing as a verb because it's just that much fun. So I love sewing, obviously I love crafting, but building dollhouses and making miniature stuff, there's just something about it that's just so appealing and so much fun. So I'm looking forward to getting the inside all furnished and making some cool stuff. I can use some of my fabric, I can use a lot of my craft supplies. So we'll see what happens there. I might do some videos about some DIYs. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments what I should make. Also, if you have any suggestions, I did buy a couple furniture pieces from Hobby Lobby because they were on sale, but I plan to make some things as well. So that's my dollhouse tour. I'm really excited to get this furnished, and then I'll give you another tour after that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and definitely consider subscribing to the Sewing Report for everything sewing crafts and DIY projects. I'm Jennifer Moore, and I'll see you again in the next video.